What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here from Liquidation Pros, and in this video I'm going to unbox $5,000 worth of cell phone accessories. So take a look at what I got. Alright guys, so the story behind this is one of my regular suppliers that I normally buy Amazon open box and returns from. They have over the past few months been getting more and more restricted by certain brands, so they're not able to sell brands like LifeProof or Zag. They're one of the major online wholesale retailers on Amazon and pretty much carry every brand out there. They have over a 50-person company, over $100 million business a year. Anyhow, I've been buying some stuff from them over the past couple of years, and now I'm actually getting brand new merchandise at a wholesale rate that they are no longer going to be able to sell on Amazon. The owner did tell me he was considering opening an eBay store, but at the time being, he sent me a list of items he had and what the prices were. So this is what I got. I got everything in this box for $960, and it has original MSRP of over $5,000. I'm hoping that I can get around $3,000 for everything here and pretty much double my money. $1,000 in labor and fees, and what's left will be my profit, around $1,000. So let me grab a knife here and open it up and show you guys what I got. So as I said, there was a list, which is also known as a manifest, and I did go through that list and cherry pick items that I thought would sell well in my store. They kind of match the items I already sell. One of the items was a take-all. Like I couldn't just pick these certain phone cases. I either had to buy them all or none of them. So let's move this over a little bit. So basically, these are supposed to be all for the new iPhone. iPhone 11 Pro. It's the UAG brand. These are really popular on Amazon. They have a pretty decent sell-through rate on eBay, so I was willing to take a chance on them. So let's see. So yeah, like I said, this is a red one for the Pro. This is the Plasma series. This is a Pathfinder series. There's gonna be you'll see a lot of duplicates, but items like this. So my cost on something like this was around $12. On average, I think all the cases I paid around $12 for, and I'm just stacking up the ones that are the same here. So awesome inventory for eBay, one listing, and right there I could potentially get 5 sales. Now you will notice that this one is a damaged box. That could have happened shipping this inventory, or it could have been like that, I'm not sure. So we will have to see. We might have to make a separate listing because these are all brand new for that one. Here's another one. That's a Pathfinder, another Pathfinder. That's for the iPhone 11 Pro. Now it looks like one is for the Plus and one is for the regular. So that's good there. Another one in the blue. We got a lot of the blue color, which hopefully is popular. And then this here is the Monarch series for the iPhone 11 Pro. So some of these were selling for like around 30 bucks consistently, some around 20. So not too bad. Now the one thing to be mindful of if you're getting into phone cases is you want to be buying and selling name brands, and you also want to make sure it's the newer models or really old models that people can't get anymore. Like for instance, iPhone 5 cases still actually do sell. People use those phones, if not overseas, they use them to give their kids. And like a LifeProof or OtterBox case is hard to find for authentic, but they're still, it's not a big seller. It might be like a $10 or $15 item. My point of all that is, these types of items, when I get them in, I want to be very competitive with pricing and try to sell them. If not sell out within 30, I'd like to sell it in like 60 days. So otherwise, I've found that I end up getting stuck with the product and the price continues to go down and down and down. So, so pretty much I'm just going to finish sorting all these UAG cases, which stands for Urban Armor Gear. That's what UAG stands for, in case you're wondering. Here's a different one, a different Plasma series. I'm going to stack that with that one there. I'm just going to stack the same colors together for now. So, sorry, this is probably a little bit boring, but these are all the same, so I figured I'd get them out. Because we do have some Mophie cases that are brand new. But this type of stuff is exciting to me because there's not a whole lot of work on my end. It's just taking photos and getting it listed, pricing it out. I kind of already know what kind of pricing I'm going for. I know what I paid for them, so there we go. So there's the UAG cases, and there's actually some more in there. But let's grab one of these bigger items. All right, so these are Klipsch in-ceiling speakers. I don't recall off the top of the head what these are selling for. Let me jump over here on eBay real quick. All right, scanner's not plugged in. Hold on a second, my scanner, I need to plug my scanner in. All right, let's see what these are going for. So the ones that are listed are $384. And none had sold, but if you type in the name, I believe the one had sold for like $175 or $180, open box. These are brand new sealed. I knew these would be kind of a longer tail item, but with the only competition being at $384 and I could get them for 120 bucks, I wanted to try 2 of them out. I can get more, so something I may consider. But for now, I have 2 of these, and those once again are the Klipsch CDT 3800-C2. So it's an in-ceiling speaker. Klipsch is a really high-end brand for stereo equipment. This is probably going to be a pretty quick video, guys. It's a lot of the same stuff, so I'm not going to bore you too much with it. I'm going to get these rest of these cases out real quick. So you can kind of see that's my my seller's inventory number for that product. They have their own inventory system, and that's kind of common. I remember seeing that with the open box stuff. But thankfully, they haven't put any labels or these are all ready to go. So I will probably end up sorting these a little bit better later once I get done filming this, but pretty excited to see all these brand new phone cases. Now, the other item I got, so it's 3 different brands, Klipsch, UAG, and then Mophie. So some of these Mophies I was paying between $6 to $8 for. Now these are all older stock, and then a few of the newer stocks I paid up 20, I want to say it was like $23 to $26. So for instance, this iPhone X Mophie juice pack case, I was getting these for $26. Now these are selling for around $40 to $50 consistently, and they're selling fast, a lot of them. So, and I can all of this stuff except for these phone cases, I can reorder. So all the Mophie stuff, the Klipsch brand, which I'm excited about. So there's some more of those. iPhone X, authentic, straight from a authorized distributor. Just he's unfortunately not authorized on Amazon any longer. This is a Mophie wireless charging base. So for all the new technology phones, you plug this in and you can just sit your phone right on it at your bedside or at your desk, whatever. These are actually only $6, and they're selling consistently for around 15 to 20. I think I'm gonna price mine at like $14.95. After shipping and all that, I'll probably only make like $4 a piece on them, but I may be able to sell a couple of them a day. They're super easy to ship. Slide them in a bubble mailer and be done. This is another different color for the iPhone X. So it's hard to believe that this is over $5,000 worth of stuff sitting here, but when you do all the retail values, some of these are like $79.99 originally. Now the prices have gone down. This is another iPhone X in the purple color. iPhone X in black. Purple, another charging base. I think there's at least one more type of case in here. So these are iPhone X. Try to get to those. Maybe they were all iPhone X. I ordered them like a week ago, so, and I don't have the list in front of me. Once I get off of here, I will go and double check all the quantities just to make sure I did get everything I ordered. Because not that I think he'd rip me off, but he actually, you know, has help. He has people that curate and pack these boxes when these orders come in. So I just need to double check, make sure I got everything. So it looks like it should be 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. So 20. I got 10 in black and 10 in the purple. So these are the 2 units I purchased. And these were around like $23 and $26 a piece. So it's 500. And then the cases. And then these are some power capsules. And I got 10 of those as well. These were, I believe, $6. So same thing. They were selling for around 15 to 20, and they're going to be the same as these cases. I'll make a couple bucks. Super easy to list. It's going to be one listing, 10 items, and as I get down low in quantity, I can order more. So that's it, guys. Super quick unboxing. Like, you know, $1,200 cost, or was it $900? Sorry, I don't have the sheet in front of me. I've been buying so much stuff this time of year. It's a crazy buying season. Anyhow, should be some really good profit here. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I will look up now and put in the first line what I paid for it, what the estimated retail was, and what I'm expecting to make. Because like I said, I don't have the list in front of me. But hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel out, helps other people see the video that might be interested. Also, consider subscribing if you like this type of reselling content. Like I said, I try to buy in bulk. I find that to be best bang for my buck, and also save me time. As you can see from this lot, very quick processing. It's a little bit smaller margins. You got to pay up a little bit more, but able to get products shipped directly to me and not have to go out running around the thrift stores or different shopping malls or shopping centers trying to find product to sell. So it's been working out really good for me, and maybe something you want to consider. So anyhow, leave your comments down below, and I will definitely put down in the comments what the exact numbers were for the lot. Sorry I didn't have that on hand. So anyhow, cheers and have a great night.